Hello and welcome to Device Gyan, your one-stop destination for detailed and honest gadget reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, one of the most powerful and premium smartphones ever created by Samsung. If you're looking for a smartphone that offers unmatched performance, top-notch camera quality, and a sleek design, this phone might just be the perfect choice for you. Let's explore its features, specifications, and price in Nepal in detail. Stay with us till the end to find out why the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is worth your investment. 1. Storage options. Freedom to store more. Let's start with storage because it's one of the most important features for many users. The Galaxy S20 Ultra offers 3 variants: 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. If you're someone who loves storing lots of photos, videos, and apps, don't worry, it supports a macroSD card up to 1TB. You'll never run out of space with this phone. 2. Display. A cinematic experience in your hand. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a Quad HD Plus resolution, 3200x 1440 pixels. 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling and gaming are buttery smooth. HDR10 Plus support. Enjoy vibrant colors and deep contrasts, perfect for watching movies or editing photos. It's a display that's not just big but also incredibly sharp and immersive, giving you a cinematic experience right in your hands. 3. Battery. Power that lasts all day. Battery life is critical, and the S20 Ultra doesn't disappoint. It features a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. 45W fast charging. Charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. 15W wireless charging. Charge without cables. Reverse wireless charging. Charge your Galaxy Buds, smartwatches, or other devices wirelessly. With this battery, you'll never have to worry about running out of power during your busy day. 4. Camera. The real game changer. Now let's talk about the feature that sets this phone apart: the camera. 108MP main camera. Take incredibly detailed and sharp photos, even in low light. 48MP periscope telephoto lens. With up to 100x space zoom, you can capture faraway objects with amazing clarity. 12MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for group photos or breathtaking landscapes. 40MP front camera, capture stunning selfies and shoot 4K videos with ease. This phone also supports 8K video recording, making it a dream for content creators. Whether you're a vlogger, photographer, or just someone who loves taking photos, the Galaxy S20 Ultra is a beast when it comes to cameras. 5. Performance. Speed like never before. Under the hood, the Galaxy S20 Ultra is powered by Exynos 990 or Snapdragon 865 in some regions, 12GB or 16GB RAM. This means you can multitask, play high-end games, and run heavy apps without any lag. It's also 5G ready, so you'll enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds. Bonus feature: the Game Booster optimizes the phone's performance while gaming, ensuring smooth gameplay with minimal interruptions. 6. Audio. Immersive sound. The stereo speakers tuned by AKG provide an incredible audio experience. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or listening to music, the sound quality is crisp, clear, and immersive. 7. Built-in design. Premium in every way. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra has a sleek and premium design with a glass back and an aluminum frame. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental splashes or drops. 8. Price in Nepal. Is it worth it? Now let's talk about the price. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is available in Nepal at $159,999. While it's a premium price, the features and performance justify the investment, especially for those who want the best of the best. Why should you buy the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra? Let's quickly recap the pros and cons. Pros: outstanding camera performance. Gorgeous display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. Premium build quality. Cons: large size may not suit everyone. Slightly expensive compared to other flagship phones. Who's this phone for? If you're someone who loves photography, gaming, or simply wants a phone that does it all without compromises, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is the perfect choice for you. Final verdict: should you buy it? The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse. From its stunning display to its groundbreaking camera technology, this phone is designed for those who want nothing but the best. If you're planning to upgrade to a flagship device, this phone deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thank you for watching Device Gyan. Thank you for watching Device Gyan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and tech updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.